Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack dispatch unknown error. This error usually happens due to temporary glitches, unstable internet, VPN or proxy issues, or corrupted cache blocking Slack request. First, restart Slack and try again after a few seconds. Many times this is just a temporary issue. Next, check your internet connection. Just go ahead and go to any browser to your liking and search for speed test. And just go ahead and run your speed test and just make sure your internet connection is stable. After that, switch network to confirm if your current connection is causing the issue, and also disable any VPN or proxy if you're using one, as sometimes they can block Slack request. After that, just go ahead and clear your browser cache. Just go ahead and press Control, Shift, and Delete key on your keyboard, and make sure cached image and file and cookie and all the side data are selected, and just click on Delete Data. Finally, just go ahead and log back into your Slack and test again using a stable connection. And in most cases, the error is fixed after refreshing, clearing cache, or switching network. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack dispatch unknown error by refreshing Slack, checking internet, switching network, disabling VPN, and clearing browser cache. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.